Imagine waking up each day with the freedom to choose your projects, set your own hours, and work from anywhere in the world. This is the essence of freelancing, a dynamic career path where creativity meets independence, allowing you to turn your skills into a thriving business while enjoying the flexibility that traditional jobs often lack. Whether you're a writer, designer, or developer, freelancing empowers you to shape your professional journey on your own terms. 1. Independent work. Freelancing involves working independently rather than being employed by a single company. 2. Project-based. Freelancers typically take on specific projects or tasks for various clients, often with defined timelines. 3. Flexible schedule. Freelancers have the freedom to set their own hours and choose when and where they work. 4. Diverse clients. Freelancers can work with multiple clients across different industries, allowing for varied experiences. 5. Self-employment. Freelancers are considered self-employed and must manage their own taxes, benefits, and business expenses. 6. Skill-based services. Common freelancing fields include writing, graphic design, programming, marketing, and consulting. 7. Income variability. Earnings can fluctuate based on the number of clients and projects taken on at any given time. 8. Networking importance. Building a strong professional network is crucial for freelancers to secure new opportunities and referrals. 9. Portfolio development. Freelancers often need to create a portfolio showcasing their work to attract potential clients. 10. Autonomy and responsibility. While freelancing offers autonomy in decision-making, it also requires self-discipline and accountability for meeting client expectations.